Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you this adorable little journaling kit for young girls. So this is kind of an everything they need journaling kit. So we've got just our little, so this is like a sketch pad. So they can doodle, they can sketch, they can write, whatever they want in here. On the front it says, you are smart, you are kind, you are important. And then we have a whole bunch of other stuff in here. So here's another one, follow your dreams. So this one, they're both about the same size. Again, it's just a sketch pad for drawing and doodling. We've got stickers, a couple of pages of stickers here, some glittery sparkle letter stickers, some brass or gold heart-shaped paper clips, so they're in the shape of a heart. A couple of little keychains. We've got some markers and pens. We have here a little bookmark. It says, enjoy the little things, follow your dreams. We have some ink stamps. So these are both hearts, a pink and a purple. So you just take this off here and you have the little stamp on it. And then we've got a whole pack of stickers here, some multicolored, almost like tie-dye notepad, like note pages, and then a couple of little glitter washi tapes. So everything they need to start with their little scrapbooking, sketching, doodling, whatever it is that young girls do. So overall, I think this would make an excellent gift idea this holiday season. You know, you've got the pens, you've got everything, including these little markers. Like, how cute is that? So yeah, I would definitely check this out. And if you've got someone who's totally into all of the doodling and the journaling, this would be a really great option for them to try out.